Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into whether the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is the best budget laptop of 2024. Let's get into it, starting with the unboxing experience. The laptop arrives in standard Lenovo packaging, which is secure and includes foam padding to protect the device. Inside the box, you'll typically find the laptop itself, a 65W power adapter, user manuals, and warranty information. My first impression? The cloud gray finish gives it a sleek, modern look, and it feels light, making it super portable. Moving on to design and build quality. The laptop is made of plastic, which you'd expect for a budget model, but it feels surprisingly sturdy. The keyboard is comfortable with good key travel, making typing a breeze. The trackpad is smooth and responsive, no complaints there. Now, the display. The 15.6 FHD display is bright and clear with good color accuracy for everyday tasks. Plus, the reasonably thin bezels give it a modern look that's easy on the eyes. Alright, let's talk performance. With an AMD Ryzen 5500U processor and 8GB of RAM, this laptop handles everyday multitasking, web browsing, document editing, and even light photo editing without a hitch. No lag here, folks. The 512GB SSD ensures a fast boot-up time and quick app loading. There's ample storage space for most users, which is always a plus. Now, on to features. The 720p HD camera with a privacy shutter is a nice touch for those concerned about privacy. The smart noise canceling feature enhances audio clarity during video calls, and the built-in speakers are decent for casual media consumption. The laptop comes with a good selection of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and a headphone-microphone combo jack, which covers most of your connectivity needs. Battery life is another important factor. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 delivers a decent battery life, lasting around 6-8 hours on moderate usage, which should be sufficient for a work or school day. In conclusion, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is a solid choice for students, professionals, or anyone looking for a reliable and budget-friendly laptop. It offers a good balance between performance, portability, and price. If you're interested in a specific aspect of the laptop or want a more detailed review, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.